How to change currency on Momondo. Momondo is a travel meta-search site that finds and compares the best offers on flights, hotels, car rentals and package holidays. To change the currency on Momondo, follow these steps. Launch the Momondo app on your device. Tap the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a profile icon. In the Settings menu, find the Currency option. Select your preferred currency from the list. If you want to change your currency for one time, select the One Time option and click Save for future option for permanent. Your selection should automatically apply, and all prices will display in the chosen currency. If you cannot find the currency option, ensure the app or website is up to date. Thanks for watching.